Seriously? Hala, hon, they're stopping it, honey. Okay, here.
Really not a good thing.
Okay. Right here, the tomatoes right here. Siya daw mag-harvest ngayon, guys.
Why do they go all the way back here?
Look, there's a lot on
These are
top,
green
honey.
tomatoes.
There's a lot on top. You don't see? On top, I can't reach it.
Where?
Over there, in the bushes, oh. It's hidden, oh. Right here, oh.
This is not a tomato.
It's hidden.
These?
Yes, there's one
They're not
in
even
there.
ready. There's one there.
There's one there. There's not tomatoes. That's, what is that? Bitter gourd. And there's one there. Careful with my bitter gourd. Oh, diba? There's one here.
Oh, sticky on the outside.
Because there's probably right here. No more in there. It's right
They
here.
look grapes.
They look like grapes, right?
Yeah.
Oy. Sige dong, harvest na dong. That's it, dili dong. There's a lot of bitter gourd, oh. My husband, oh, he's not, hindi gid siya sanay, oy. Sanayin natin ito, guys. Ang kaloka ito, oh. Dong, sige dong, banat dong. Banat dong tami. Diba?
These, or you think these are not ready?
Go ahead, do it.
Well, are they ready?
I
They don't look quite
you
ripe.
can tell.
They don't look quite right. This one maybe, but the rest of them look like they need a little time.
Slowly.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oopsie. You have to come here, what? Uy, what is that?
Leaf.
Huh?
I don't want to rip the whole thing.
Harvest, oy, banat dong. So, when you guys are young, your father is planting what? Nothing really, right? Right?
No, he's fine.
He's not planting, honey.
Yes, yes.
Like what? Where is it?
One here.
What did he really planted?
Figs.
Figs? What is figs? A fig with a pig with a F?
Frig. Fig.
Frig. Is it frig? Just inside and I cannot reach it. A frig? Go closer over here because you're too close over there. Come on. Don't get a frig.
You don't look quite right. Some of these look like they'll be ready tomorrow, but not today.
Let's look at it today. You're not here tomorrow.
But you are.
I can't reach it. Okay, yeah. Here. Right, Han? Pinahirapan ko pa ikaw. I think that's it. Right here.
So here.
Yeah, watch out, huh? I think no more. Watch out your back. There's something. Okay. Look, I can't reach on that thing. There's more. Oh, there's more here.
Oh,
Nah, leave it alone. It's fine. I can't do that. I can't take that. It's hard. Like that.
why is there a green one here?
You knock it down. That's the only one. That's it.
Like a string bean salad, very small string bean salad.
No, nanguha naman ni siya, oy.
Yes.
Pati, oh, pati. Okay, go ahead.
All done?
Yeah. Pati ano kinuha na? Pati string beans. Aruroy.
Ready?
Not yet, not ready. Alaka. Right here, oh. Wala dong tami. Nang harvest naman kagkuan dong. Wala man sa plano ni dong. No, there's big over here too. Watch out, huh? Because sometimes there's a snake here. Oh, dude, looks like a snake. Oh. And there's more here. Which one? Oh yeah, that's good. Mm. Very good, baby. Yeah, you can do that. Very good, baby. Look, ang dami na akong ampalaya, oh. Ampalaya. Somebody's texting you, honey. Come on. No more? Ngayon mga Zay, ang ano ko lang dito mga Zay is, may mga tao talagang nagproblema sa aking content. Kapag meron akong sasabihin sa aking content na gusto kong magtrabaho at nasa bahay lang ako palagi at sinabihan ko si Mr. na magtrabaho ako, pero yung iba talaga is hala, oy, magreklamo man sila sa akong pagrereklamo mga loves. Bakit naman magrereklamo yung iba kung magreklamo ako? Puro na tayo dito reklamo. Sige, magnirelak muhay na lang tayo dito. Ang lalaking ito nakatingin lang sa akin dito. Nakita, may nag-film ako dito. Dong, wag mo na problemahin dong. Charot. Wag mo na problemahin dong. Yes, meron akong mga hinanaing kasi gusto kong umuwi ng Pilipinas at hindi naman easy umuwi ng Pilipinas talaga. Ngayon, andito si Tami sa sa Walmart na. Andito na, oh. Walmart. Look, Walmart. And then pagkatapos niyan, tignan natin kung anong binibili ni Mr. Tami kasi hindi ako sumama kasi nagtrabaho ako mga loves at kailangan kong mag-edit and then sa YouTube kailangan kasi meron din akong giveaway sa YouTube, so kailangan kong pag-isipan kung kailan kasi 1,000 din yun guys, 2,000 total guys, sa isang buwan dalawang tao yung mananalo, 1,000. So kailangan ko siyang pag-isipan kung anong days kasi every 15 days. So late kasi tayo na, September pa tayo. So yun, so pag-isipan ko kung kailan ba ka second week of October yung magbigay ako ng giveaway. So yun. So kung gusto niyo mag-join nun sa Facebook, mag-subscribe kayo mga loves para makuha din niyo yung 1,000 no. So kung gusto lang mag-subscribe kayo doon and then yun, sagutin ang mga katanong-tanongan ni Inday Earn. Yun lang naman, simple. Si Tami nagpunta sa kabilang sasakyan dyan. Anyways. Ay nako. Ay, asawa ko. Hello, what is this, love?
Chicken.
It looks like a dog poop.
No cheese.
Hello?
Not a one. Like the whole area for the landless cheese, just empty, no tags, no nothing.
Seriously? Hello, hon, they're stopping it, honey. Okay, here.
Really not a good thing.
Hello. You get two of this? Yeah. Ay, nako. What's wrong with that? No cheese lang. Hala, chocolate. Nagpunta doon siya sa kabilang sasakyan mga loves. Si Tami talaga. Punta doon siya sa kabilang buhok ko. Ay, ko. Sa kabilang sasakyan, sabi niya, may bata man. Ay, itong asawa ko. Nakakatawa man ito si Dudong Tami. Ay. And, I was watching you, love. You went to the white car. And then you see there is a kid inside. Did you see there is a kid?
Yeah, similar.
And then what did you say? You just look the car here. It's like, seriously.
Oh, just on that one. What can I say? That's what I saw.
You always look for somebody. You don't really see me in real life too. Even you look in me.
Yeah, okay.
You don't.
That's what I saw.
Somebody call me. So andito na naman si Tami sa Hanaford. Dinadrive ko lang siya dito kasi gusto niyang magpunta dito. So kaya yaon, drive lang. Itong ibo na ito ba, oh? Oo, tignan niyo. Oh, lumipad. Patawa mo na iba. Gusto ko kumain ng apple. So yun, so hintayin lang natin na itong asawa ko na mahilig talaga sa shopping. Nakakaloka naman ito eh. Palagi na lang siya ditong mag-shopping. At ako naman palaging nagda-drive. Isa akong driver, mga darling. Libot-libot. Ang gipalit dong. Turkey dong. Ala, you get a turkey dong.
Oh, sorry, just saying.
Hello, why you get a lot of that? This is bad for kidneys. Ay, Tami. Tami mo talaga. Right there, love. Di na yun na magpalupig. Pirmi na yun ng kadaghan gipang grocery. No, daghag manok guys. Nawa na ko luto-luto. Bawal magluto. Chicken sa Walmart. Chicken sa Hannaford. The best. Puro mulupad na yung ani, muluparan lang yung ani karong adlaw. Hangtod sa usa ka tuig, magsige na lang ko anig lupad-lupad. It reminds me of a game. There is a game.
This guy's my wife doing.
Hadi.
She's acting like a monkey.
Up on the bridge. What there is a
Yeah, somebody will be running after you. Probably the guys with the white straight jackets.
Kami ni Tami, pag nasa bed kami, that's how I make noise. Tami! That's how I make noise, Red.
I'm sure she's gonna act like a monkey. Mouth pick the fleas out of her head.
My heart is aching.
It is, huh?
Hey, it's on in this world, love.
That was a good question.
Huh?
That was a good question. Nothing good, really.
We're back into the mountain.
Only been 2 hours.
Huh?
Only been 2 hours.